I'm not 100% this can actually fit, but I'm just gonna put it on hold in here. I'm not really buying these right now, I'm just holding them for the future. These smell really good. Put it right here. This does say marbles, and this is a gumball machine. Aren't gumballs a bit bigger than that ball? When I need these, I'll probably win some of them out, but I'll just take them out anyway. I need to turn it 1 more milli-inch. And there you have it. What's up, everybody? I bought my own gumball machine. This thing is so intense. Oh my gosh. I might put this out in location and charge, I don't know, $1. Can't get it. Of course, I'm joking, but I did actually buy this yesterday. Oh, my brother's reaction to this is gonna be funny. I'm back with more serious footage. Yes, I did get that gumball machine, but you don't need money. It's a little toy. You just turn the thing and you get it. I got it at a food vendor, so. Hope you like this video of me servicing the machines, you know. I'm gonna use my good hand. How does it look? Does it look okay? This is the fun part. It gets tight. There we go. What's up, everybody? I'm going to conclude this video. So I got this when I got these at Fred Meyer. And then I got this at my ice skating rink. I did not film it, but I did get it. It was my first time playing this particular machine. I usually play the bigger one, which you've seen on video. So let's do this, shall we? How would this look? No, I'm just kidding. Tell me if you want more videos like this. Find a video with comments. And tell me. Or you can just like it on video. I mean, you could like this video. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.